Hey everyone, if you have plugged in your USB drive but it's not showing just like on my computer, then this video is for you. I'm gonna give you a quick solution to fix this problem. What you need to do is right click on my PC, click on Manage, then go to Disk Management. Now here you'll see all the storage devices attached to your computer, including your USB drive, and it will be titled as the removable disk. This means that your USB is in proper working condition. If you pay some attention, then you'll notice that every other drive has a letter assigned to it except the USB drive, which is why it's not showing here. So to fix this, you need to right click on it and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click on Add and you can assign any letter from here. Click on OK. The letter is signed now and you can see the USB drive here, simple as that. Now to avoid this problem in the future and to avoid the USB drive from getting corrupted, before you plug out the USB drive, click on this arrow icon at the taskbar, right click on this USB icon and select Eject. Wait for this notification and now you can safely remove the USB drive. Try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.